Everybody in my DM about this Usher. Man, y'all know Usher out his top, man. Usher ain't sparing no nigga, man. Usher ain't sparing no nigga, man. Y'all know he out his top. Y'all know he'll say draw up. Y'all setting y'allself up, letting y'all lady go to that shit, man. I'm a street nigga, if I got she go up there, and looking in the eye like she ready to go, like she hypnotized, I'm gonna leave it right there. Then wait at the room and beat her ass. But y'all know Usher out his top, man. Y'all, hey, you can't blame, hey, man, you setting yourself up, man. That's really all I gotta say.
See, this is another reason why I say it's not a smart idea if you a big artist or an artist that got motion to sign with Boosie, because he can't control his mouth. He'll say shit like that, it'll get you blackballed. Now, he don't care or get you canceled. It'll make women turn their back on you. And you don't want that as an artist. You a young artist. I'm telling you, you don't want to be under no badass entertainment when your CEO here talk like that. Even though a lot of street niggas feel that way, like they'll do that, they'll beat you up. Now you got them embarrass them on TV. You know what I'm saying? Like if a nigga can't see it, pull it up and see it, you know, you may get a little argument. But you know, a lot of niggas will put their hands on you now if you got them embarrass them like that, and everybody clowning them and joking them and shit like that. They'll do that, but you ain't got to let us know that. You know what I'm saying? You supposed to say that in your household. You supposed to say that when you talking to your niggas. Cause all of them, they gonna agree with you. You know what I'm saying? But the world, you got females. You know what I'm saying? Shade Room, On Site, all of them IG blogs, like academics, even the rap blogs. Like, and then you gonna have the niggas that's gonna try to take up for the females, or they really with that. They ain't for that. Like they ain't with you putting your hands on the bitches because she did that. You know what I'm saying? They gonna side with the females. You know what I'm saying? They gonna start dissing your whole state. Man, y'all Louisiana niggas, man, y'all niggas be some hoes. You know what I'm saying? They gonna say shit like that. So, you just gotta be careful, man. Like, when you sign into these niggas, man, these niggas will get you blackballed. Like, it could be a big artist that you wanna work with, a superstar. It could be Jay-Z, Diddy, Beyonce, Rihanna, Eminem. They may do the record right, but they're not gonna clear it. When they see that motherfucking badass entertainment, they ain't gonna clear it. And how you waiting, pushing it back, playing around with you. You had a song, but you can't drop it because they won't clear the record. You know what I'm saying? Like, because of that. It could be a deal, Sprite, Budweiser, Bud Light, Nike. They see that badass, like, nah, we ain't gonna help you out like that. We ain't gonna, you sign under him, you blackballed. You can have a hot song, you don't get nominated because of him. We don't want to help that business out. Nah, man, your boss man saying this about Lil Nas X, saying this about Gabrielle Union, saying this about women, saying this about he let his son get head, saying all this stuff right here, man. So they ain't gonna do the deal. Not because they don't like you, it's who you rolling with. You get it by association. So we can't fuck with you. So you want to keep that in mind, like when you signing deals, like how's your CEO? How's your boss man? Do he got a loose lip? Like, do he talk too much? Do he speak his mind too much? He a boss. You know what I'm saying? He independent. He all that there. So he cool with his money. He straight. So he gonna say what he gonna say. Like you said, he a street nigga. So he feel like the streets ain't gonna never turn their back on him unless he do some shit that make them turn his back on him. But he ain't gonna do that there. He gonna stay silent. If he make it, he make it. If he don't, he don't. He cool with that. But what about you? You ain't got the millions of dollars. You ain't get when he get a show. You ain't got them fans yet. You at the bottom trying to build. You ain't got that empire. You ain't got that loyal fan base. You ain't got them hit records. You ain't got that. So, would you do that? Would you sign with that? But yeah, Boosie out of pocket for saying that shit, man. Speaking his mind. You supposed to say that shit, like I said, on your own time. You know, it ain't been no women that came out and said Boosie beat me, Boosie hit me, Boosie abused me. So, he could just be talking because he know that shit gonna get reposted and shit like that. But it's not a good look to upset women when women will keep you alive. Now, you can, you know, make them laugh again. You can do some funny shit and never forget, but there's always gonna be that section of females they ain't gonna never forget. They're gonna always bring that up. Like, we don't fuck with Boosie like that. He need to go to jail. He like to beat women. He like to do this. He like to, fuck all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, cause you got to think, like, if Boosie my favorite artist and I'm a young nigga and he say some shit like that, I'm gonna beat my hoe. Yeah, like, let me look up the Boosie. He said some shit like that. I'm gonna beat my hoe. I'm gonna feel like, well, he do it. Shit, I can do it. I'm trying to be like him. Everything that he be saying and preaching, I'm trying to live that shit, man. I ain't got no father. I ain't got no brothers. I ain't got nobody. He my father. He my brother. He my teacher. So the nigga say, if a bitch do that, put your hands on him. I'm gonna do that there. So that's why a lot of niggas, they'll go off on that shit. Like, you just gotta censor yourself, like. But then again, you don't. You know, but a lot of street niggas, they'll do that there. They're not gonna let you do that to them like that, and ain't no consequences behind that shit. Like, you should know what type of nigga that you fucking with. You know, the average nigga that step on shit or get shit deleted or he do prison time and he just a real gangster, they gonna smack the shit at you. Not all of them, but a lot of them will. So you gotta be mindful of that shit. You see what I'm saying? But nah, man. You a regular person saying that, it ain't nothing. You somebody like Boosie saying that, it's something. It's something, man. But yeah, man. That's what it is, man. You know, other niggas, they gonna go way hard on them. You know, they gonna speak their mind on them. And it's a lot of female artists and movie stars and IG models, strippers, all type of females, man. They get smacked, choked out, knocked out, tooth knocked out, and they ain't saying nothing. They ain't saying nothing. They may say something at the very, very end, but as they going through the shit, unless you catch it, they ain't saying nothing. You'll never know it. You gotta be fucking with them or be their friend or something. Yeah, like, and then you got the females that hit niggas. Now, is it ever a time for a man to put his hands on a woman? Hell yeah. I tell you, like, cause the law gonna back you. A woman trying to kill you. A woman got a knife or a gun or trying to run you over or trying to set you up. My favorite one. A woman that's putting that Russia uniform on. A woman that's putting that China army uniform on. They're going against our country, or the Afghanistan uniform on, and they're going against our country. They're going to get stepped on. They're going to get beat, whatever. Yeah, our military say, take order, destroy. That's what we're going to do. So our military don't care about you being no female, man. You put that shit on, man, you getting crushed. Put that uniform on, you're going to get crushed. Putting your hands on another man, and I see the bruises. Oh, no. She gonna get whooped. Especially like you a Megan Thee Stallion type bitch. Like, you tall and got size on you and you can fight and shit like that. Nah, nigga ain't finna. These niggas lying that they say they ain't gonna swing back. You break their jaw, or you damn near break it. You black their eyes, you bust their lips, you knock their tooth out. Nigga ain't finna, nah. But, you know, the average woman ain't gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? And then you don't supposed to keep yourself in that situation. But you do got crazy ass hoes. I do agree with Boosie saying he'll leave her. I definitely leave your ass. Doing that shit with Usher, I'll leave you, but I ain't gonna just beat you up for that. You know what I'm saying? I'll just leave you. That shit hurt more. But nah, you can't hurt me. Trying to set me up to be killed, I'm gonna punish you. Really, I'll knock you down though. Really, I'm being nice and I put my hand. I'm really gonna blow you down because I'm low down like that. So you trying to knock me off, I'm gonna knock you down. You putting that Russian uniform on, I don't care. I'll knock you down. Cause I'm gonna die and kill with that military when it's time to go to war. So I don't care what bitch or person, or you could be big, small, young, underage. You put that Russian shit on trying to hurt our country, nigga, it's up. So we ain't tripping about none of that stuff. Before, like, just on some everyday shit, nah. Nah. But can't no man really say what they'll do 100%, cause in the heat of the moment, shit change. You know what I'm saying? Niggas will snap. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be battle tested. Then you can say what you want to do. You can't say what you want to do and you ain't been battle tested. You ain't never walked in the house and another man in your bed. You ain't never really got embarrassed with your old lady. You ain't never been set up by a bitch. You ain't never got your money stolen. Bitch stole 100,000 from you. You ain't never, so you can't really say what you want to do. You got to go through that shit. Then don't do it. Then talk heavy. You see what I'm saying? So, but being Boosie, you shouldn't say that shit, like, because a lot of people look up to you. So, just to control the violence. You know what I'm saying? Like, we know how you get down. We know a nigga like you will smack a bitch. You ain't really got to say that shit. You know what I'm saying? But that's what it is, man. That's my take. Y'all feel like I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? Y'all drop them comments, man. So, but I don't care if y'all feel like I'm wrong on this. Because I don't care, you put that Russian uniform on, you put that China shit on, the Afghanistan, whoever we going against, you're supposed to die. You know what I'm saying? Going against us. Yeah, because they females over there, they'll step.